Notebook LM is one of the most underrated AI tools in 2026. It made research work so simple that you can get any information from the internet with summaries and insights with actual citations. You can upload PDF, website links, YouTube videos, and Notebook LM summarizes everything. It will give you key insights from all the sources you provided. So Notebook LM saves you a lot of time. You don't need to go through 300 pages of PDF to get what you wanted from the PDF. You don't need to watch 4 hours YouTube video to get actual insights from the video. Just upload it to Notebook LM, it summarizes everything for you. And the best part of Notebook LM is it converts your sources into voice podcast, so that you can actually listen and understand what your sources are saying. So if you are new to Notebook LM and if you have not started using Notebook LM till yet, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll explain everything from the beginning. You will understand how to use Notebook LM to its fullest. So without any further ado, let's jump into how this Notebook LM actually works. Head over to Chrome and search for Notebook LM. If you're using Notebook LM for the first time, this is the dashboard you will be landing to. You can find My Notebooks and feature notebooks here. So what are these feature notebooks? These feature notebooks are notebooks which are created by somebody else, and you can ask questions regarding those notebooks. For example, if I scroll down, here I can find William Shakespeare complete works. So I can ask anything, any question related to this William Shakespeare and his works. For example, if I go here, if I click on this notebook, I can ask what is the best book of Shakespeare, and it will give you the answer. So you can ask anything about the Shakespeare in this notebook, and in just few minutes I'll tell you how to create your own notebook. Just stick with me. So what it does is it goes through all the sources that particular person who created this notebook. So it has given all the best works of William Shakespeare here. And if I go back, these are all the feature notebooks. Earning reports for top 50 corporations. So this is the Notebook LM created in last year. So you can ask any questions regarding this one in this particular notebook. So if I go to my notebooks, this is the place where I can find my own notebooks. If I click on create new, or I can create a new notebook here. I also created a lot of notebooks previously, but now I'll start again from the scratch. So if I click on create new here or here, I can create a new notebook. So whenever you click on create notebook, you have to provide the sources. For example, the source could be anything. You can provide sources from websites, you can provide YouTube videos, you can provide PDFs, you can provide documents, you can provide anything. Any source is fine. But what if I'm a beginner, like I don't have any source, I am directly into this Notebook LM and I want to search for a particular topic. I don't know the source. In that case also, the Notebook LM still works fine. For example, let's say I already have a source, so I can upload files. For example, PDF files or document files or PPTs or anything. And if I have YouTube video, I can upload that YouTube video link here and ask for summarization here. Or I can I can connect my drive and ask questions regarding the sources which are in my drive. I can simply paste a lengthy text here and ask questions regarding it. So anything works fine here. This is the case when you already have sources. For example, I'll go to YouTube and I'll search for let's say Raj Samani latest podcast. So this is the video. This is 2 hours video. I don't have that much time to watch 2 hours podcast. So what I can do is I'll open this video. I can just copy the link. I'll paste it here. I can paste multiple YouTube links. If I click enter, and I can paste any number of YouTube links here, not only single, I can paste website links also. And I just insert this YouTube link here and I can ask questions regarding that YouTube video. So for example, I want to get 5 key insights from that podcast. So what I can directly ask here is, get me 5 key insights from the video. So that is 2 hours long video. And I just wanted to get everything from that video, every information that has been spoken in that video in just 2 minutes. I can go to Notebook LM and See here, I got rupees predicted to hit 150 against the US dollar. So this is one of the key important thing that is spoken in that particular podcast. Without me watching that 2 hours long video, I can directly get the information, whatever the information from this notebook LM summarization. And this is the case when you already have a source. For example, if I don't have a source, I'll just go back and I'll create again a new notebook. For example, I want to know about a cloud skill. I don't know any sources. What I can directly do is search the web for the new sources. Here you can find an option called search the web for new sources. I can ask what is cloud skill, and then it will does that research part for you. It will search for all the resources. You don't need to do that work also. You don't need to search for sources, which is the best source. You don't need to do that work. Notebook LM takes care of everything. So here it has given totally 10 sources. You can view all the 10 sources. It has taken the official documentation from the Anthropic as a source, also from the Reddit users, also from the YouTube, also from the GitHub. So it has gathered all the information for you. Now, either you can select all of them or you can choose any of the source. For example, I don't want this particular source to be used for response. So I don't use. And if I click on import, 8 sources will be imported. If I ask any question regarding cloud skill, it will go through all the 8 resources that we have provided. Actually, the notebook LM has provided, and it will answer to our questions. If I just ask what are top 5 cloud skills. So I just ask what are top 5 cloud skills, and if I enter, it will give me the answer. So this is how simply you can get any information, any research work done so simply using Notebook LM. This is just a glimpse of what Notebook LM can do. There are a lot of things we need to explore now. If you see in the right panel, you can see an audio, generate an AI podcast based on sources. What this feature does is, we have provided 8 sources and we don't want again to read the text again. And we want that 8 sources to be included as a audio podcast so that we can listen from anywhere, doing any work. So if we click on this particular feature, audio, generate AI podcast based on your sources, then it will generate an audio podcast. That's crazy. I'll just go with this. If you click on that one, you will have couple of options. You can make that podcast as a debate podcast, if you see here, or just deep diving into the conversation, like 2 people will have conversation with each other. But for now, also the length here, short, default, long. But now I'll put it as short because it's gonna take a few minutes to generate audio podcast. You can also choose the long ways. I'll put it as English, and you can write what the particular host has to speak in that particular podcast. So I'll just tell top 5 cloud skills. If I click on generate, it starts generating, and it's gonna take few minutes to generate audio podcast. You can see here it is generating. That is one of the feature of Notebook LM. Meanwhile, let's explore different features. So now we have seen generating audio podcast. You can also generate visual explainer video. But you may ask that you already have a YouTube video, but why to generate again video, right? But for example, if you are a student and you have a PDF, 100 pages PDF of particular topic, and you're not able to understand what the particular PDF is saying, then what you can simply do is, you can just upload that PDF file and you can generate the video out of it. It just explains like a tutor to you, and you get everything from that PDF. I'm not going with this feature because it's gonna take a lot of time in generating video. I mean, at least 10 minutes. So I'll just skip this video part. Let's wait for the audio to generate, and meanwhile let's explore different features as well. If we click on this mind map, it will create the map, like it will create the flow charts. I'll just go and see it. I'll just type cloud skills here, the topic, and also you can generate reports, you can get flashcards, you can get quizzes. How these quizzes can be useful, you know, if you are a student and if you're studying for a particular exam and for a particular topic, And if you're not confident enough, and if you want to make yourself confident by writing mock test, you can just upload that sources. It could be a YouTube video, it could be a PDF file or textbook. You can upload to Notebook LM and you can generate quizzes and you can answer. It will also provide the feedback for you. And also you can generate infographics. You can generate visuals. I'll just go with this feature also now. You can choose different themes here. I'll go with this clear one and concise. I'll just leave everything as default. And if I click on generate, what it does is it will create infographics. So the mind map is ready. So if I go and click here, I'll expand this one. So it explained everything like a flow chart, like a graph. This is a cloud scale. You can see the definition in here. If you click on here, it gives you the different definitions. Reusable instruction packages, progressive disclosure, open agent skill standard. Okay. The frameworks, the categories, and within this, again, we have subparts. In directions, we have metadata, workflows, roles. So this everything explains so simply and easily. And these infographics are very useful if you are somebody who teaches on YouTube. If you're somebody who love to teach to others, you can use these infographics as a flowchart and you can explain any topic to other person so simply. This is one of the coolest features. And the infographics is still generating. Let's wait for a second. You can generate flashcards based on your sources you provided. It means it will give everything in few pictures, few carousels. So you can understand what everything about your sources. If I click on these flashcards as well, it will start generating the flashcards. So our infographics has been generated. If I explore, so this is how cleanly it has generated. I think I'll just amazed how every text is so precise here. So here, cloud scale, your AI new superpowers. Okay, the icons or the images that it has generated, it is so aesthetic and it is so clean. Here the text also. So this is how you can generate infographics. If you see here the robot, and if you see this picture, instructions, it means the cloud scale is less, it consumes less tokens than 100. So this is how simply it explained everything in pictures. So cloud scale tells about the direction, blueprint, and the solution. So this is how simply everything it told about the cloud scale in pictures. So this is one of the another cool features, infographics. And it also generated flashcards. So let's see how it has generated the flashcards and what are the flashcards. If I expand this one, see here, it has generated everything about what is cloud scale, like a PPT, simply like a PPT, flashcards. So it has generated totally 65 flashcards in just less than a minute, actually. Explains everything so simply. And our audio is still processing. That's why I didn't go with video feature. So it will take at least 10 to 15 minutes to generate. So that is why I'm going only with the audio one. And you'll be amazed how the audio will be generated. So basically, two people will be talking about a particular topic that we have given. We have given what are the top 5 cloud skills, right? So the two people will be talking about that cloud skill, and we can actually interact with those two people in the podcast. So when they are talking to each other, we can ask questions. We can get clarity about what they are talking and everything about the particular topic. I can't wait to see it generated. So these are all the features that Notebook LM is providing. And if you're someone who does the research a lot, then Notebook LM is must go AI tool in 2026. So the audio part is still processing. Let's go and explore the different feature here, the quiz one. If I click on quiz, it starts generating the quiz based on the 8 sources that we have provided. It's gonna ask questions. For example, if you have PDF file of particular subject, you can upload that and you can make quiz out of it. Let's see how the quiz will be. And let's also generate the data table. What this data table does is it will create everything, all the information into a particular table so that you can get all the insights so simply. If I click on data table, then it starts creating everything into a structured table so that you no need to read whole text. You can just get every information, a lot of information, just by watching that table rows and columns. So let's wait. These three are in still progress. The quiz has been generated. Let's go and see. So this is not quiz. This is the table that I spoke about. See what I told you, that everything is given in structured format. Cloud skill plugin. It means that you can upload doc files, you can upload PDF, PPT, Excels. So everything is given in a simple table. It tells that the skill could be doc for generating or processing the document file, or PDF file, PPT generation, and these all are cloud skills. And the categories, the descriptions, you can create, edit, analyze, and Microsoft Word documents included. So it has given everything in a table format so that you can understand so simply. Let's go back and see if the quiz has been generated. Yes, the quiz has been generated based on the cloud skills again. So here it has generated 15 questions, and if I click on randomly, this is the question that has generated, and it has given me 4 answers. And the best part is it is also given the hint. I'll just randomly click on the I got tried it. So it is the right answer. If I click on next, again I'll choose, oh, again it's right answer. Let's check when we get a wrong answer. Yeah, this is not the correct answer. So this is the correct answer. So this is how you can generate quiz from the source you have provided. This is how simple you can generate. And yeah, finally our audio podcast is ready. If I just play.
Okay, let's unpack this. Imagine if you could plug a cable into the back of your AI's head and just upload Kung Fu directly into its brain.
Right. No repetitive prompting.
Exactly. No explaining the rules every single time you start a chat.
Mm-hmm.
So welcome to today's deep dive. We are pulling from Anthropic's documentation, the awesome Claude Skills GitHub repo.
So those two speakers, there is a female speaker and a male speaker, they are talking about what is cloud skill and how you can use that cloud skill in that particular 5 minutes audio. And what the best part is, I can interact with that persons. Let's see how.
Reddit debates and
if I click on this interactive button, I can just go into the podcast. Let's see. I can join the
okay, let's unpack this. Imagine if you could whoa, did someone just break the fourth wall? Let's hear it.
What are the top 3 cloud skills that I can use as a student?
Oh, I think you mean cloud skills. So talking about clouds would be pretty relaxing too.
It's a great question because students can actually gain the most from these automated workflows.
Totally. If I were back in school, the first one I'd grab is definitely the PDF skill.
Right. It lets Claude extract text and tables or even annotate.
So basically, I went into that podcast and asked the question, and those people are talking about the question that I asked. This is crazy. So this is all about Notebook LM. If you have not used it, just go and explore this master tool for research. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye.